Ever wondered how much damage a simple water leak can cause to your home? It's not just a drip-drip annoyance. Water damage is a silent menace, gradually wreaking havoc on your cherished abode. Ignored or unnoticed, it can lead to hefty repair bills, not to mention the potential health risks. The key to tackling this silent enemy is awareness. Recognizing the signs of water damage early can save you time, money, and stress. Stay tuned to learn how to spot and prevent water damage in your home. So, how can you tell your home is suffering from water damage? Well, it's not always as obvious as a puddle on the floor or a leaking faucet. Sometimes the signs of water damage are sneakier. One of the most common signs you should be on the lookout for is discoloration on your walls and ceilings. This could manifest as yellow or brown patches, or as spots that are darker than the surrounding area. These unsightly stains are often the result of water seeping into the drywall or ceiling material, a clear indication of a leak somewhere. Now your nose can be just as useful as your eyes in detecting water damage. You know that musty smell that hits you when you walk into an old basement? That's often a sign of prolonged water exposure. It's the scent of dampness, of mildew, and it's a red flag that you might have a water problem in your home. What about your walls and ceilings? Have you noticed any paint peeling off or wallpaper starting to bubble or warp? That's usually not a sign of poor decorating choices. Instead, it's often a symptom of water seeping into the wall or ceiling and damaging the adhesive that holds the paint or wallpaper in place. And then, of course, there's mold. Mold growth is a serious sign of water damage. It thrives in damp conditions and can have a detrimental impact on your health. If you spot any fuzzy or slimy patches of black, green, or white, it's high time to investigate for water damage. It's important to regularly check for these signs, especially in areas that are prone to water exposure. Your bathroom, kitchen, and basement are the usual suspects, but don't forget about your attic, especially if it's directly under the roof. Remember, water damage doesn't always announce itself with a dramatic gush of water. Sometimes, it creeps in slowly, silently, damaging your home bit by bit. But by knowing what to look for, you can catch it in the act and take steps to address it. Remember, early detection is key to minimizing the impact of water damage. Now that you know how to spot water damage, how can you prevent it? First off, prevention starts with regular maintenance. Make it a habit to check your plumbing systems, from pipes to faucets, to ensure they're all in good working condition. This includes looking out for any leaks, rust, or signs of wear and tear. If you spot any issues, don't hesitate to call a professional to fix them right away. Next, let's talk about drainage. Good drainage is essential in preventing water damage. Make sure your gutters and downspouts are clean and free of debris. If they're clogged, water can overflow and seep into your house. Also, ensure that your property slopes away from your house so that rainwater doesn't pool around your foundation. Now, technology can be a great ally in this fight against water damage. Consider installing water leak detectors. These are devices that can detect water leaks in your home and alert you before they cause significant damage. They're especially useful in areas that you can't monitor regularly, like basements or behind appliances. Lastly, if you're renovating or building, consider using water-resistant materials in areas prone to water exposure. These could include waterproof paints, sealants, or tiles. These materials can resist water and reduce the risk of damage. Prevention, as they say, is better than cure, so don't wait for water damage to occur before you act. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. The silent menace of water damage can be a real threat to your home. It hides in plain sight, often unnoticed until it's too late. That's why recognizing the warning signs is crucial. These can include discolorations and stains on your walls or ceilings, a musty smell, and even a sudden increase in your water bill. Preventing water damage is all about being proactive. Regularly check your pipes, appliances, and roof for leaks. Consider investing in water sensors and maintaining your gutters and downspouts. A small investment in prevention can save you from a costly repair down the line. The importance of early detection cannot be overstated. The sooner you spot and address the issue, the less damage you'll have to deal with, and there you have it. Everything you need to know about spotting and preventing water damage. Protect your home, save your money, and keep your peace of mind. Remember, a little vigilance goes a long way.